know, I've been living like this, you know, my whole life. Everybody know me, man. You know, secret. DP Photography, also known as The Real Berg, man. And today, you know, I'm gonna try to make a video for YouTube. I haven't made a video on YouTube for a while. Frankly, I don't know what kind of content you guys wanna see. When I do make videos, a lot of times it's reviews just because, you know, I'm into so much techie stuff. But today I wanna take y'all on that adventure, man. So I'm gonna head up to the Sugarloaf Bridge, go around the loop on the scooter, try to get all the way to the end of the road. I'm not sure if I'll make it or not. There's a lot of gravel and whatnot in between. But, you know, I'm gonna fly the drone and yeah, just do a little bit of exploring, man. So you guys stay tuned. And if you guys can think of a video that you know that you want me to do, man, leave it in the comments, man. I'm DP, I'll see y'all in a few. Yeah. Pit stop for some of the best shrimp throughout the Keys. So yeah. Just made it up here to the jumping bridge. The mosquitoes ain't got shit on the horseflies, man. The no-see-ums are tougher than the fucking mosquitoes. But the horseflies, man, them shits got mandibles, man, like they bite you. Trusty scooter. Now it's a little bit windy, but you know, these drones hold up pretty well. Got the scooter out here. No vehicles beyond this point. Got some disgusting, yucky water. Now somehow I gotta get the scooter through here. I think I'll just pick it up and carry it over. Okay, ship's log. I am back here in the middle of nowhere with no end in sight. I've seen some of the biggest mosquitoes ever known to man. I've got options. I could turn around now and go back, which I've came quite a ways already, so that would make no point. I just don't know how far the end actually is, but I will continue on my journey and you guys will stayeth with me. DP'eth, yeah. A lot of knocked down trees and the path that's making it a little bit hard to get through, but keep trugging along. Nice little bird just flew through here. My ass is kicked. That was a mission. That was a mission and a half, but I'm actually here at the end of the road, you know? I'm tired, man. Like really tired, man. Like, and I shouldn't be, but you know, between the sun and dragging this thing along, man, because I ain't been riding as much as I would like to be. But, all for this, trying to bring the people better content to YouTube. And I know a lot of people haven't seen the end of this road. A lot of people from Key West haven't seen this road, you know? They've seen the jumping bridge, but they haven't seen the old burnt down bridge. And this is what it looks like. It's like tempted to jump in, but that current ain't no joke. Out here with some big ass walls. That thing is gnarly. Man, look at that thing, man. That thing making noise. You can hear the noise coming out that thing. I ain't messing with you. yep, I guess that's the end of the road, literally. I mean, it was a pretty cool trip. Who am I fooling, man? It was a hard trip to get back here. It's gonna be hell getting back home, but I thank you guys for sticking with me. If there's a video that you guys wanna see out there, or if there's something that you guys want me to check out, go ahead and drop it down in the comments. Other than that, go ahead and like, subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell. And I am DP, also known as The Real Berg. As always, I'm out.